Hello and welcome to the workshop. In today's video I'm going to show you how I stain and finish my handles for my axes. So I usually get my stain in bags like these and I just follow the directions on the bags, and I like the stains to be natural colors, nothing too extreme in any way. Alright, so we're just going to go ahead and give it a coat all throughout. Alright, so now it's coated and we're just going to let it dry for a while, and then we're going to move on to the next step. Alright, so now the handle is dried, but as you can see it's very much the same color on all the handle, and I like to try to create some depth in the coloring of the wood, and I'll show you how to do that with just a knife. And if you want to see how I made this knife, you can check the video up here. So we're just going to take the edge and just scrape off some of the coloring. By doing this all around, we will create slight differences in high and low spots. And then we're going to color it again. Now we take some paper towels and just carefully, lightly color it again. And just to give you some comparison, I made two. This one has only been coated once and this one has been coated twice with the knife in between. Amazing. What a difference, right? Alright, so now the axe is seated on the head and it's time to wedge it and oil it, and we will have the finished handle. Alright, so now to apply the linseed oil, I just take some regular paper again, paper towels, and just apply it. I do it now, and then I let this get in there, and then I will do it in a couple of days again. So I want to take a moment to thank today's sponsor, which is SUDIO.com. They supplied me with these in-ear headphones. I have been using them for about 2 weeks, working on the power hammer, the press, the grinder, and I gotta say I find them very, very practical at times. So if you're interested in purchasing a pair of in-ear headphones, you can use my code, which is Nils 15. Click the link in the description to see what products they have available. Thank you so much, SUDIO, for the sponsorship. Let's get back to the video. Alright, so the handle is now finished. It's just drying up with some oil. There are only 2 more steps left for this axe is finished, and that is I'm going to first blacken the head using black linseed oil, and then I am going to polish the edge. If you are interested in finding out how to do that, you should definitely subscribe, because that will be an upcoming video shortly. If you want to, you can check me out on Instagram to see more of the day-to-day stuff that I'm doing. Other than that, I wish you a great day and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.